You? Oh.
Every Filipina has that rice cooker, eh?
Of course.
We don't have rice cooker.
Right.
I don't have rice cooker.
Why?
Dapat
I don't eat rice.
yung glass.
You don't eat rice?
Glass na lang.
She eats rice
Do
every
you
day.
eat rice?
She eats rice every day.
Wow.
Yeah, at work, yeah.
Do you eat rice every day?
Now I do,
Ingay
because
nung nasa taas.
of her.
Because of her.
Naglalakad.
Don't blame her.
I don't blame her.
Yeah, blame me.
Baby, baby.
How about just three? How about Carlos?
Carlos.
No, I'm a beer. I'm a beer. I'm a beer.
We're gonna share.
Ay, ay, ay.
May baso pa naman, Larry. Hindi na, kasha na to sa
Give some
amin.
to your
Ay, wait.
son.
Grabe yung
Your son.
bartender, oh. Thank you.
Your son.
Parang si Sita yung may birthday.
No, big guy.
How old is your son again?
23. Turning 24
Oh,
this
like me.
September.
He looks like me.
Hmm.
He's 24 too.
24?
Yeah?
Really?
Yeah.
Ang tanda ko na.
Yeah.
Larry?
Larry.
Yeah.
Larry?
How old do you think I was? Huh?
Larry.
How old do you think I was?
Yeah.
So your son can have a girlfriend like 40 years old.
Oh, bigyan natin ito kay Trixie. Trixie,
Huwag naman kayong ganyan. Hindi naman halata si Larry na 40.
Tapos
Baby
nag-video ka
face
pa.
pills. What's wrong with that? Si Sita kasi sabi niya mag-video.
Oh, yan na!
Let's do vlog. Carlos, say hi here in Tagalog. You have to speak
How do
Tagalog.
you say hi?
Hi.
No, you should learn.
Just hi.
Hi?
Hi, just say hi.
Oh, take
Parang
care.
si Sita yun.
Ano lang kasi, pag
Cheers.
Cheers! Bigyan natin to.
Ano, bigyan mo yan?
Nagkukulong ka dyan eh. Oh.
Wow!
Ayan, ko yan. Kunin mo yan.
Masarap yan.
Sige lang, teka lang.
Birthday ko kasi, kaya
Oo, birthday
yan.
lang.
Mo yan.
Birthday ni